working as an assistant professor in Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology, Hyderabad. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about introduction of electrochemistry. Here we'll discuss what is electrochemistry, applications of electrochemistry, basic terms, redox reaction, and cell notation. End of this chapter, students can able to understand the fundamental principles of electrochemistry, electrochemical cell reactions, and their functions. A student can also apply the knowledge of electrochemistry to solve the engineering problems like designing of the batteries. A student also analyze the process of corrosion and corrosion control and can propose the corrosion control method. So we'll see that what is electrochemistry. Here it is a branch of electrochemistry which deals with the study of production of electricity from energy released during the spontaneous chemical reaction. So, and the same use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation. Electrochemistry is completely dealing with the transfer of electrons. So here is we are finding that we can say simple definition that is a interconversion of chemical energy to electrical energy and electrical energy to chemical energy. As we discussed, electrochemistry is the branch which deals with the chemical energy to electrical energy. So what is mean by chemical energy? Here chemical energy is nothing but oxidation and reduction reaction. What is mean by oxidation and reduction reaction? Oxidation and reduction is referred as redox reaction. Here is in redox reaction, if you go with the redox reaction, first will be oxidation and reduction will be have simultaneously. The substance where we can find that they lose the electron. The substance oxidation is the process, is the substance which lose the electron is called as oxidation. How to find the oxidation? So oxidation is the losing of electron. If you take any metal, if they lose the electron, that is called as oxidation process. Losing of electron is oxidation. Are different criteria also there to define that oxidation, like adding of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is also included in oxidation. Reduction, the substance which involved in the gaining of electron is called as reduction. That is called as reduction process. Here in case of reduction, if you go with the reduction process, the elements which will gain the electron, because electrochemistry is completely dealing with the electron, so you can find that gaining of electron is called as reduction. So the substance which gain the electron, or you can say that loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen is also called as reduction. So here is the substance which donating the electron. The substance is donating the electron, that is called as reducing agent. And the substance which are gaining the electron, that is called as oxidizing agent. So this is about the term where we are using that when we find the word chemical energy to electrical energy. So that chemical energy means inside the cell redox reaction will be takes place. That redox reaction will help that changing of chemical energy to electrical energy. In detail we find that what are those terms. Oxidation. What is mean by oxidation half reaction? When electrodes are dipped in the salt solution of its own, they have the tendency to lose the electron. The losing of electron is called as oxidation. So when any substance is undergoing oxidation, what we are finding? The oxidation state or oxidation number is increases. Next, reduction half. Reduction half is what? When metal is gain the electron. So when losing of electron is called oxidation, where gaining of electron is called as reduction. In gaining of electron, the oxidation state or oxidation number is decrease. If you find here we have oxidation number 2 and here we have 0, means oxidation number or oxidation state is decreases, that is called as reduction half reaction. If you see one more example, like silver is there, Ag plus, after gaining one electron it will turn into Ag. So what is the oxidation state of silver? Here 1. Then after reaction it becomes 0. So the reaction where we can find that oxidation number is decreases, that is the reduction reaction. So if you go with that next one, what is cell reaction? As we said that oxidation and reduction is a simultaneously will takes place, is referred as a redox reaction, where oxidation losing of electron and reduction is gaining of electron will takes place. So we'll find that what is the reduction. If you take the Cu plus 2, Cu plus 2 will take 2 electron and form the Cu, means total the number of electron gained by copper is 2 and forming the Cu, that is the reduction reaction. In oxidation reaction, Zn will losing the electron and forming releasing 2 electron, that is oxidation. If you find overall a reaction, copper is gaining 2 electron and zinc is giving 2 electron. So means zinc is giving the electron and copper is taking this 2 electron. So due to that reason, what is the cell reaction we can find? Whenever we are writing the cell reaction, left side should be there, whatever we are writing the left side. So Cu plus 2 should be there on left side and Zn will be there on the left side. Then on the right side Cu, then Zn plus 2, that should be there on the right side. If you write one reaction here, so if I write like one more reaction, if you take the combination of zinc and silver, so if anode reaction is what, zinc is undergoing oxidation, it gives Zn plus 2, 2 electron will be gained. If it is a silver is there, silver is taking the 1 electron, Ag plus will have taking 1 electron and forming Ag. So then there is a difference in the electron. Zinc is giving 2 electron and silver is taking the 1 electron. To balance that one, to balance this one, what we are doing, the second reaction is multiply with 2. So here we saw when we are writing the overall cell reaction, in overall cell reaction, what is there on the left side? Cu plus 2 will undergo reduction. So here Cu plus 2 is undergoing the reduction. So there you can write, you can find the reduction, loss of electron is there, and Zn is undergoing oxidation. You can find here oxidation Zn to Zn plus 2. So we'll club together, combine together, we are writing the redox reaction. In this redox reaction, Cu plus 2 and Zn plus 2 give rise to Cu and plus Zn. So if you want to write one more reaction where we can find the redox reaction by taking the example like zinc and silver, where zinc you can take as an anode and silver you can take as a cathode. If you go with the zinc representation, if you go with the zinc on oxidation will lose the electron. We already know that metal is changed to metal ion. Zinc is changed into Zn plus 2, 2 electron will be lost. If you take the silver, silver will take gain of 1 electron. When it's gaining the 1 electron, it become Ag. So when this is help to balance the reaction also, we can observe that anode is losing 2 electron, where silver, that is cathode, is gaining the 1 electron. So to balance that one, second reaction we are multiplying with the 2 because cell will be work when giving and taking of electron should be in a same number. Then only a battery or cell will be work properly. So that due to that reason, we to maintain the balance in the chemical reaction. So we are taking that silver to be multiplied with the 2. So that what is the overall reaction we can find? Zn will 2Ag plus. When it have 2 electron, why we cancel? Because zinc is giving the 2 electron, the 2 electron is taken by the silver. So that reaction will be balanced. Then what is left? Then it's giving Zn plus 2 as well as 2Ag. So as we can see that how to write a cell notation and cell representation also we can say. When the cell is nothing but anode plus cathode. Anode plus cathode together is called as cell. Anode where oxidation takes place. Cathode where reduction takes place. So whenever we are writing the cell representation, so how to represent that one? This is the overall cell reaction. In that overall cell reaction, here is Zn is undergoing oxidation. So 2 electron to plus 2 electron, and copper is undergoing the reduction. So when you start representing here, so always remember that metal followed by metal ion. So we can write metal followed by metal ion is the anodic representation, and parallel line indicate the salt bridge. So then metal ion followed by metal is a cathode representation. And keep in mind, always left side should be their anode and right side should be their cathode. So to remember easily, we can just remember the shortcut that lone. Lone is nothing but L is left side. Left side O means oxidation. A means anode, and anode will have negative sign. So you can remember that left side always oxidation will be takes place, and that is anode will have and negative sign. It's a complete opposite, that is the reduction will be takes place. There we can find that cathode, and they have the positive charge. So that is the representation of the cell. By seeing the representation of cell, we can say that the cell, what is anode and what is cathode, where oxidation will be takes place and where the reduction will be takes place. In this video, we discuss introduction to electrochemistry, basic terms, oxidation and reduction, and cell nutrition. For next video, we are going to discuss Nernst equation, EMF and types of cells. For more videos, subscribe our channel.